Hello there, everybody, and welcome back. I'm Daniel. Why don't we cover human medicine and peanut butter like we do for dogs? Valvo. And over the past few videos, we haven't really put a word to it, but you've been secretly learning algebra. Isn't that a tough pill to swallow? Bet you wish you had some peanut butter. But we've mainly been doing academic algebra, like solving for an abstract variable x. But algebra is incredibly useful in the real world. So this video, we're going to let algebra fly into the real world with everyone's favorite two words, word problems. So often in the real world, we come across things that we can describe with an equation or an inequality. For example, Josh is trying to weigh his dog. Because the dog keeps running away, he decides to hold the dog and step on the scale himself. The total weight is 175 pounds. Josh knows that he weighs 151 pounds. How much